There's a hidden formula that ordinary people are using right now to turn simple skills into streams of income. They're not celebrities. They're not tech geniuses. They're regular Americans, teaching online, freelancing, building digital products. Before we continue, hit subscribe. Because this channel is about one thing only: turning struggle into freedom. Most Americans believe millionaires are born lucky, or they got rich with some magic investment. But studies show that 88% of self-made millionaires built their wealth by using skills, solving problems, and creating value. They didn't wait for permission. They didn't wait for the perfect job. They turned what they already knew into income streams. We live in the skill economy. Someone is making $60,000 a year teaching math online. Another earns $40,000 doing voiceovers from a bedroom closet. Others design logos, edit videos, or write copy, charging $100 an hour. The formula is simple. Identify your skill, package it, sell it, scale it. Here's the Hidden Millionaire Formula. Step 1. Identify. Pick a skill you already have, or learn one fast. Copywriting, video editing, coding, digital marketing, even teaching English online. Step 2. Package. Turn that skill into something people can buy. A service, a course, a product. Step 3. Sell. Use free platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, even TikTok, to get clients. 1 client pays for your time. 10 clients, that's income. Step 4. Scale. Stop trading hours for dollars. Turn your service into templates, guides, or automated products. That's when skill becomes wealth. Identify, package, sell, scale. This isn't theory. This is happening across America right now. A teacher earning $55K now makes $120K tutoring online full-time. A mechanic started a YouTube channel teaching car repair, now making more from ads than his shop. A nurse built a side hustle creating digital health guides. Her income doubled. The formula works. If you do. The millionaire of today doesn't wait for Wall Street. They don't rely on one paycheck. They build skills. They multiply skills. And they turn skills into assets, control, freedom, choice. And it starts with the skills already in your hands. The Hidden Millionaire Formula isn't a secret anymore. The question is, will you use it? Subscribe to Gen Z Dollar, and let's turn your skills into cash.